Tushar Gandhi, you see this point, there is a sense that the critics of the RSS see it almost through one prism only. That the RSS is built singularly on hatred of the Mussalman. They do not look...
No, not just that. Their hatred towards RSS is so much that they don't want to understand even RSS from RSS point of view.
That there is an RSS that he claims is a selfless organization that has spread its tentacles in different aspects of society.
I'd like to agree with one point that he made, that RSS doesn't want to establish an organization, they want to organize society. That's exactly what Hitler and Mussolini set out to do in Germany and Italy, and that is where they got their inspiration from for the RSS. Having said that, I just want to go back to what Bapu said. At partition time, Bapu sent Dr. Sushila Nair to across the border, the newly drawn border, to a camp where refugees, Hindu and Sikh refugees fleeing the newly created Pakistan, were temporarily housed till they could be brought across the border. When she came back and she talked to Bapu, while describing the situation over there, she praised the work that RSS was doing for relief for the refugees. And Bapu told her, don't be fooled, because when they do good, their intention is evil. And that is what exactly they were doing in all the refugee camps all across India, fomenting and manipulating